So welcome back again mga Lods. Magandang umaga, magandang gabi. For today video topic mga Lods is share ko lang sa inyo yung features nitong si SSS Humid Pay Card na wala si regular Humid. So ito yung mga features ng bagong SSS Humid Pay Card mga Lods. So pakita ko lang sa inyo. Dito mga Lods. So dito sa bagong SSS Humid Pay Cards ay pwede na siyang makareceive ng SSS loans. So nakalagay dito mga lods, basahin natin. Receive your SSS loans, proceeds, benefits, and refunds directly to this account. So ito pa yung iba. Use your card to transact at SSS Self-Service Express Terminals for inquiries and loan application. And then access your account 24/7 through Union Bank online. So hindi ko lang alam yung ibang bangko na partner din nila. So sa akin kasi is yung na-receive ko is Union Bank. So tapos nakalagay dito pwede ka rin mag-deposit ng pera 24/7 at over 3,000 7-Eleven stores. And then deposit money at over 8,000 EasyPay outlets. And then shop at any retail outlets and online stores accepting Visa. And then withdraw money at any Visa or Banknet ATM. So dito naman tayo. So ito mga lods, yung ibang features pa niya. So nakalagay dito, do more with Union Bank Online. Enjoy these features when you enroll your SSS Humid Pay Card to your mobile app. So meron siyang application mga lods, Union Bank application. Bali dun nyo gagamitin yung inyong SSS Humid Pay Card. So nakalagay dito mga lods, pwede kayong mag-balance inquiry. Tapos, transaction history, makikita nyo rin. Send and receive funds. Deposit checks anytime. Buy load. Get notification, pay bills, at set transaction limits. So, ayun yung mga features ni SSS Humid Pay Card mga lods. So, napakaganda talaga nitong SSS Humid Pay Cards kasi yung regular Humid is ID mo lang siyang makagamit. Hindi katulad nito na meron ka ng ID, meron ka ng valid ID, o meron ka din ATM card na pwede mong gawing savings at marami pang ibang pwedeng paggamitan. So, yun lang mga lods. Hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.